So many of you have asked for a walking tour of La Perla del Caribe and how the villas are situated on the beach. So I'm going to take you on a little walking tour. The first villa here on the right, on the north side of the property, is Villa Emerald. It's a 2-bedroom beachfront home, beautiful deck looking over the Caribbean Sea. And now we're just going to walk, we're going to show you the freshwater pool that's shared amongst all the owners. And then just to the left of Villa Emerald is Villa Topaz and Villa Diamond. Villa Topaz and Villa Diamond are both 4-bedroom villas on 3 floors. Both of them have fantastic ocean views. So Villa Topaz, then Villa Diamond, 4 bedrooms. After Villa Diamond, we are coming on to Villa Pearl, which is a 5-bedroom beachfront home on 3 floors. Their deck gives a fantastic view of the ocean as well. Each villa is positioned to give an ocean view. Villa Pearl is looking straight out at the ocean, unobstructed view of the Caribbean, as is Villa Jade, which is the one and only 3-bedroom villa at La Perla. So you can see it's on 2 floors, a 3-bedroom, followed by Villa Opal, which is a 5-bedroom villa on 2 floors. It also has great views of the ocean. And we're coming around to the end of the first semicircle of 7 homes, back to the beachfront. And we are going to show you Villa Sand, another 2-bedroom beachfront villa. Unobstructed view of the Caribbean. In front of Villa Sand, you see our dock, which has a palapa where you can view the sunrises. Just sit there in the afternoon and catch a breeze. Lots of chairs on the property to enjoy the beach. We also have the kayaks on the dock that you can use. They're complimentary. Villa Sand, they've incorporated a few trees right into their deck, as you can see. And we continue the tour. This is our beach palapa, where you can do yoga in the morning, catch the sunrise there as well. Just sit and enjoy the day. And as we go around Villa Sand, we start the second semicircle of 5 villas facing the ocean with Villa Sapphire, also a 2-bedroom villa, beachfront villa. Fantastic hammocks in each of the villas, as you can see. Deck furniture for you to enjoy the great outdoors, dining outside as well. Each of the villas has a table and chairs for dining on their deck. Barbecue grill that we can bring onto the deck if you want to grill. And then after Villa Sapphire is Villa Coral, a 5-bedroom villa on 3 floors, followed by Villa Amethyst, which is a 4-bedroom villa on 3 floors. Again, amazing views of the Caribbean. Then we have Villa Ruby, 5 bedrooms on 3 floors. And then we will come back to the beachfront, ending the second semicircle of 5 villas with Villa Amber, a 2-bedroom beachfront. Has fantastic unobstructed views as well. You almost feel like you're in your own private enclave over there at Villa Amber. Ocean views, and we're back to the beach and the wonderful Caribbean views. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.